Hey, this is BM World here, back with another video. Today we have Bored to be Wild. I think that's what it says. Yeah, Bored to be Wild. From Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. And we got the Legend, which used to be the oldest probably monster truck, and then monster jam truck, and then they switched over to Hot Wheels. Bigfoot. So let's open Bored to be. Let's see. How can I get this more secured? That's way too. Hold on, we're having technical difficulties here. There we go. Technical difficulties are figured out. So let's open Bored to be Wild. And these are new for 2023. So I got them early. By luck. And, you know, they have a different packaging than 2022. Here's the cards on the back. Stats are right here. Bored to be Wild. Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Okay, cool. So they got like plenty of different trucks here to choose from. I probably would want this one. And this one. Maybe the fire truck. And maybe the trash truck. And depending on how the trash truck looks in hand. Like, how do they got this on? Oh, they actually package it different too, I think. Ooh. Plenty of rubber bands. They won't want the guy to fall off. Let me just put that in the packaging. I probably take a thumbnail the name tags like I did before. Tomorrow I gotta fix some of my dumb rules. That's why I put in the packaging off to the side. Oops. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay, now let's open this new Bigfoot. And it probably has the same stuff on the back, different description and stuff, but no, I don't think it's worth looking at. So let's just destroy this. I think I actually like the Bigfoot better. It's easier to get unpackaged. Interesting. So which one do we want to take a look at first? I kind of want to take a look at the crush cars first. So here's the one that, wait, I think I got them confused. The actual Hot Wheels castings was just kind of cool. I don't remember the name of this casting, but it can connect. And I think I got plenty of these before. So this is how it connects together. This is another Hot Wheels casting. They're both crushed up. Not easily crushable though. I wouldn't suggest this for Hot Wheels. I would actually prefer if they broke this up into 2 pieces and then kind of counted it as a crushed car. But Hot Wheels, please. Take my idea if you want. I don't even care. There's plenty of ways that you can hook these things together. They're cool. This one's yellow, this one's green. Cool. Whatever. That's not what we came here to see. They both kind of look cool. Let's do the Bigfoot since I feel like this is the more newer casting. So of course it's Bigfoot. Power Wheels. Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels Monster Truck logo. Oh, ain't that another toy thing? Or is that... I can't even see it. 64 and 68. 74 and 68. Same stuff on the side. Bigfoot on the back. There's someone's signature. I don't know who drives this truck. Sorry. Even though I kind of liked going to Monster Jam when I was like a little kid. Really little. They have no, please don't tell me I opened the error. Okay, it's like that on both sides. Please let me know if this is like this on your version. I don't know. Maybe it is error. Maybe I shouldn't have opened this. Sorry. But he's kind of cool. He has an orange chassis, roll cage, whatever you call this. Metal chassis. Flames going all over the place. That's cool. Back is black. Bigfoot, Hot Wheels. Yup. Love that. Love that grill. Look at that. That's super detail. Power Wheels again on the front. Yeah, but that's super detail. Have they done that before? I don't know. But that's cool. Now on to this. Okay, this can unhook. So, we got the little guy right here. Oh, what is that? It's kind of like a jacket that you would see them wearing in movies and stuff. But I kind of took the guy off so we could see the decorations on the board itself. So, of course, it has like flames, Hot Wheels thing, checkered pattern. I want to see more of these, but I don't like how it looks. It kind of looks weird. So I don't know. Plus and it's green board. Orange. They both have orange. Silver. Not different color wheels like that one. I like this, but I don't like this at the same time. Because it's weird. But then again, if you got like them Hot Wheels gates that they just came out with, it'd probably be great for your like collection, I guess. It's going to look great in my Hot Wheels monster truck collection. And let me know if you guys want to see figure boards on this channel. I'm not that big of a fan. But since they do have Hot Wheels ones, and I review Hot Wheels, maybe. And the playsets kind of look sick, actually. Kind of look abandoned. Like they're in an abandoned part of town or something. And so maybe I'll look into getting some of those. Even though I'm not really a big fingerboard guy. Just not the stuff my mom and dad put me into. They kind of put me into action figures, Hot Wheel cars, all that other stuff. And Legos. Which is mostly what I review on this channel. So, that's me as a kid, if you wanted to know. And this is me signing out. Hit that subscribe button, everyone. Tell me which one is your favorite. I think this one is because it's kind of like a standard monster truck. But this one kind of has its perks because it's different. And I like how we're trying different stuff than just the regular monster trucks that they released. That's why I still collect these, even though they don't have the Monster Jam license anymore. So this is BM World Review, signing out. See y'all next time. Oh, I said see y'all next time. I was supposed to sign out. Okay, see y'all next time.